Since you've just invested a ton of time into yourself and become infinitely more well-versed in all things nonprofit financial management, I want to spend a minute and touch bases on your finance staff. Most organizations already have a number of finance people on the team, but you may be wondering if any of them are a CFO or can do the work of a CFO. So I want to talk briefly about the 4 finance professionals you need for your organization so you can assess and make sure that you've got the right people on the bus to get it all done. First is your bookkeeper. She inputs the daily transactions into your accounting system, enters and pays bills, invoices your donors, handles payroll, and reconciles your bank accounts. She's in the weeds, highly detail-oriented, and makes sure your financials are done accurately and timely. She'll often run reports for your leadership team, but probably won't do any analysis on them. Second is your accountant or auditor. This person is the tax guru who prepares and files your 990 and conducts your audit. They receive the numbers and backup documentation from the bookkeeper to audit or input into the 990. Sometimes, but not always, your accountant and auditor is the same person, and almost always they are a CPA. They know the IRS and other statutory rules inside and out. Third is your financial advisor. She advises you on where to invest your money and is a fiduciary, which means she is legally responsible to act in the best interest of your organization financially. She may look at your 403(b) or 401(k) retirement plans, and she may also manage your endowment if you have funds invested. But there's a missing piece. What if you have a question on your organization's financials? What if you want to know if you can afford to hire a new staff member this year or maybe start a new program? What if you want to know which fundraising efforts are the most profitable? Or maybe you want to know if we're going to have another cash crunch in 6 months. This is where your CFO comes in. She is the 4th essential finance professional for your organization. As a CFO, we review your numbers and draw insights and trends from those numbers, giving you more information to make better decisions, resulting in a stronger, more sustainable organization. Now, to an extent, you can be your own CFO. The knowledge that you just gained within this course is immeasurable and likely got you steps ahead of where you were before. You know how to read and interpret financial statements and project cash flow, but you may not have the capacity and time to do this on an ongoing basis, and consistency is key in mastering your organization's financials. If your organization isn't ready for a full-time CFO and you can't carve out enough time to do the job yourself, we're here for you. I would love to jump on a quick call, get to know you and your organization's goals and pain points. Our team at 100 Degrees Consulting can serve as your dedicated CFO and bring big picture strategy, analyses, policies, and processes to your organization. Click the link below to grab a spot on our calendar. I hope this was helpful in deciphering all of the finance professionals you need for your organization. To recap, we have a bookkeeper, an accountant or auditor, a fiduciary financial advisor, and of course, a CFO. So do you have any gaps at your organization? Now's the time to get out there and find all 4 finance professionals that you need at your nonprofit.